Hi, I'm Andrei Mincov, the founder of Trademark Factory, and today I'm really excited to bring to the spotlight one of our clients, ToneAlly.
Now, if I put that onto the kit after practicing that on the ToneAlly, I get sort of this thing, this sort of freedom.
That's so freaking cool, Tony. I've got Tony McNally with ToneAlly, and really excited to have you, feature you, because you got an amazing product. I have one here, but why don't we start with this? Why don't you tell us what is ToneAlly? What is it?
Well, the ToneAlly is the world's first training device which concentrates on the trajectory of the drumstick. That's the line of the drum stroke. You simply put your stick through your chosen alley, one of these, and then you have no way to go other than a straight line. The line of all the best drummers in the world, a perfect stroke like Buddy Rich, Billy Cobham, Simon Phillips, Omar Hakim, oh, the list goes on. The best thing about it is that it allows you to play with freedom and without tension. It's absolutely for beginners to advanced players. Everybody can benefit from this. It was my mother who came up with the name. I was wanting to get a nice simple name for the device. I had tone in there somewhere because it's hand selected rubber. I spent a lot of time selecting the rubber, and it's got a particular tone about it that I quite like, and also these alleys, as they are, these are alleyways. So that was in there, in the mix sort of thing. My mother pointed out, hey, why don't you call it ToneAlly? Because you're Tony McNally. And that would be like a condensed version, abbreviation of your name, which would be quite cool. That was it straight away. Mother, you're a genius. So you can go directly to www.toneally.co.uk, my website. Worldwide, absolutely, toneally.co.uk is the place to go at the moment.
If you're drumming, if you want to drum better, this is the best. I still refer to it as practice pad that I've used. I know you have a more scientific name for it, like the tool, the instrument, but this is so good. If, like me, you've been struggling to get rid of this, which happens to me, both my hands, ToneAlly has helped me a lot, and I wholeheartedly endorse it, wholeheartedly recommend it for you.
Oh, fantastic. Thank you for that.
So go to toneally.co.uk. Again, those
Absolutely.
British people with their websites. But great product. And Tony, really proud to be serving you on the trademarks front, and really hope that this little video gets more eyeballs on your amazing product.
Thank you very, very much.